Hello! In this video I will show you how to wipe cache on Huawei MatePad 12X. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume up button at the same time and hold it for a few seconds. And now select Clear Data option and then click on Wipe Cache Partition. Now you can click back and click Restart to go back to your system. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.